exploring some abandoned warehouses with Zane and Nick returning. We're gonna go downtown. We already been to this place before, but Zane hasn't been in it. It's a 10-story abandoned building. It's awesome.
I had to babysit last time, so
yeah, he was too afraid to go in because yeah. We're gonna go exploring there, and
yeah, we're going exploring.
But it's kind of sketchy because there's a lot of cars right next to it. Hopefully they're fellow explorers like us, and say like what's up, and we don't get mugged. We won't get mugged. Yeah, Zane has a knife. Yeah. And I have legs.
And they may have a gun.
How you feeling, guys? You ready? You pumped?
Yeah, I'm so hyped.
We're gonna go.
So hyped, dude.
We have to find an alternative entrance because we can't just go through the front door. Have to find a little crevice, a little weak spot so we can slither into. This place is freaking already super cool from the inside. This is just our entrance. Someone actually cut a hole right there just for us and left a board down here. When we scouted this place, there was no board, and there was like,
and there was no duct tape.
Yeah, there was no duct tape. All right, this place we're gonna have to be very mindful. And hopefully there's no hobos in here trying to attack us. Zane's up protection today. We don't have Daniel Collette because he decided to...
Yeah.
No, he decided to ditch us. So far, we are only on the second level. We're only on the second level, so we still got a lot to explore, including all the other 10 levels and the roof and the basement. Probably shouldn't go into the basement, but you know, we're adventurers. We go everywhere. Good book room, I guess. All right, so found a very dark room. And Zane doesn't want to go, but we're forcing him to going. This is like an infirmary part. This looked like an infirmary, yeah. Look at it.
This was a key one.
Nice. We are sweating like crazy in here. It's super hot. But we must venture forward. We might go hit up 2 abandoned buildings today, not just one. But this one is pretty cool. This one's the coolest of them all, in my opinion. Dude, guys, my whole week has been freaking busy. This is the only day I actually took off so I can go explore. We are once again rooftop hopping on the roof of this 10-story abandoned building. Oh my gosh. The view from here, guys, is astonishing. Astonishing. We're just chilling on the roof, chilling like a villain, and found this nice view. Top.
Bro, look at that. That is sick, dude.
Alright guys, check it out, check it out, check it out. So, this mound, we built this to climb up there for a night shot. And if you don't know what the night shot, this is it. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Honestly, we are trying to find a way out of this building, but it proves that we're not the only ones here.
There are people.
There are people tagging the place, and we're gonna have to maneuver our way through, or else, you know, they might just rob us, kill us, gut us, hang us on the wall. This place is scary. Like,
Don't worry, you got me.
if it was anywhere else, like outside, not in the city, I'd be okay. And this place is so easy accessible. We found a little crawl hole to crawl through that everyone could literally
it's
come.
accessible by everyone. Like
so we're gonna try to cut across the campus. This college campus right here is a very nice campus, actually. To try to get to our next location, so we can take some shots, shoot some videos. But this place is worth it. Look how rich this campus is. They have a well-tended bamboo garden. Very nice bamboo garden, and like a wall of water over there. This place is crazy, and this is only a community college. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like this journey. So Zane found like a nice building for us to scale. It's actually not an abandoned building, it's just a building under construction. So,
and all the doors were locked.
Yeah, and all the doors are
All the
locked.
doors
So,
were locked.
good idea, guys. Thank you.
Floor 8, here we are.
Floor 8.
Bell, man.
This place is pretty insane. It has a nice view. I love it. What about you guys? Yeah, look at the courthouse. Very, very nice. Alright, so at this point we're just messing around, trying to find some good picture shots, and Zane got pretty bored and he's trying to stalk people in that building up there. Nighttime has fallen and we are about to take some nice pictures down this street. This is gold. This is Instagram worthy. You guys ready? You're gonna have to climb up there. Both of them, well, actually Zane's super scared of heights. So he's gonna have a hard time doing it, but I'm gonna force him to do it. Look at that. Oh, this is crazy. Dangling on top of this building, even though there's like higher ones, a lot higher ones. I gotta stop looking at the screen, but yeah, today's been all about just the pictures mainly. A little bit of vlog, but what can I say? I like pictures. So we found another location. We started climbing, and right now we're just scaling the building, see how many angles we can catch. But this is a pretty sick date spot. So all you fellas, watch this vlog, share with your homies. If you're in Fort Worth area, come up here, bring your date up here.
A lot of beer.
Yeah, there is a lot of beer bottles up here, so you just know this is a good date spot. So, all right. And this is a nice sky bridge. Check it out. Yo,
We could go get a burger.
we just ended up downtown, as always, for some reason, in all my vlogs. I don't know, I think it's because downtown's super chill.
Yeah.
Look at that. And it's a good thing we ran past that hotel. I will always have a souvenir to keep. This little thing right here.
You grabbed one too? I didn't even notice.
What? What happened?
I don't know. They just split this thing.
Alright, so I think that's it. We've been to abandoned buildings, went on top of roofs, took some bomb pictures, and we also scaled the side of a building. Like, it was crazy. Today was a pretty nice day.
Pretty good.
Pretty good day. And I have to go, wake up, go to the airport, catch my flight tomorrow down to Mexico. So, till the next time. Hasta la vista. Later, guys.